After a provisional offer is sent, providing the applicant formally accepts or rejects the offer, the recruiter will receive an email confirmation. For our example, the applicant Helen Ward has accepted our provisional offer. Select the Campaign's Offers tab. Click on either the campaign or the role. The display will list candidates that have reached the offer stage. After a provisional offer has been sent to and accepted by the candidate, the status will be changed to Provisional Offer Accepted. Full details can be issued to the Human Resources Department in order that a formal contract can be issued. To preview the instructions, click on the HR Instruction Preview icon. The instructions will contain all the information necessary in order for a formal contract to be prepared. If there is the need to provide the Human Resources Department with further ad hoc instructions, click on the Offer Settings icon. Click on Edit. Enter the additional instructions in the HR Instruction field. Click Save. OK. Click on the role. Click on the preview. The additional instruction has been added. When the instructions are complete, issue by clicking on the Send Starter Notification to HR icon. OK. Should terms not be agreed, or in the event that references prove to be unsatisfactory, the offer can be withdrawn by clicking on the Withdraw Job Offer icon. When the candidate starts the recruitment process, click on the Set Employment Status as Commenced icon.